Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Najmi Aiman. I want to present about my report in basketball shooting. First at all, background of study. The release angle and velocity have been considered the determinant factor of the basketball shooting, Milner and Bartlett. Release angle that provide later velocity generation have been suggested Brancusi because velocity is related to movement variable. Thus, great release height should be pursued by player to decrease the distance that the ball must to travel and hitch to release angle and velocity. Next, problem statement. The problem cannot identify the correct angle to shooting the basketball, and the player also cannot identify the correct velocity of the basketball shooting. Next, my objective. The purpose of the research was to compare shooting kinematic with the best release angle for basketball players and the right shooting ball velocity. These studies will provide a deeper understanding of the movement technique followed by player in order to achieve shooting performance. Significance of study. First of all, the important studies in to provide the player with diagnostic input to improve their faster shooting technique. Then it also verify whether the variable involved in this research has an effect on basketball shooting of better result. Finally, data generated from this study will be used to demonstrate how to influence of the shooting process affect an individual optimum performance. Demographic. The subject was a male and was a beginner basketball player. For the demographic of the subject, the height of our subject is 167 cm. Our subject weight was 98 kilo and his BMI was 24.38. Before the experiment, the subject was informed of the experimental procedures and give his consent. Equipment. I use tracker, Kinovia, journal, and phone camera. Procedure. Firstly, warm up was done with general exercise before the beginning of the record. 15 minutes I give to her. Heating is not regulated and to provide exhaust. Subject is free to choose own exercise. The subject will be taught about the experimental procedure after that. The subject, the performer, the free throw shot in 5 minutes. Each try the data such as release angle and ball velocity will be recorded into a table. The data collected for the release angle was measured using Kinovia and the ball velocity was measured using the tracker. Result. Angle of release for the one is 90 degree. 67 degree. 2 70 degree. 3 68 degree. Optimum angle of release is from 55 until 90 until 69. Velocity of ball I get from this I get the data from this subject. One is 0.232, second 0.227, 3 0.230. Optimum velocity of ball for the beginner player is 0.450 until 0.555. Discussion. The end result of the studies dealing with the basket shooting variable in the release angle and ball velocity gives the player great impact on the hoop strike. There are three distinct angles of release and ball velocity resulting from an analysis performed using Kinovia and Tracker. By comparing three video athletes, I find the optimal release angle for any person player using the Kinovia during the throwing stage in basketball. Tracker helped me to find the optimal ball velocity. Conclusion. Rationally justified hypothesis was formulated, claiming that it is more beneficial to throw the ball with its optimal angle of release to make it through the hoop middle. The theory starting point is that throwing the ball at the optimal velocity requires the less amount of physical practice and muscle power of the shooter, which play an important role in teaching children and people the shooting motion. Thank you. That's all from me.